In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change to candlesticks or fix missing candles in Tradingview. By the end, you'll switch your chart to candlesticks, and if any candles are missing, you'll adjust one setting and run quick checks so the full price history displays correctly. First, open Tradingview. Now open a chart. You can use any symbol. The steps are the same. Next, click the chart type icon in the top toolbar. It's the button that lets you choose how the price is drawn. From the list, select Candles. Done. Your chart now uses candlesticks. If you're missing candles, right-click on the chart. Click Settings. Go to the Symbol tab. Change session to regular or extended. Regular shows normal market hours, and extended includes pre- and post-market trading. If candles are hidden because the session filter is too narrow, switching here will reveal them. Click OK. If candles are still missing, change time frame. Click the time frame menu and pick a different interval, like switching from 1 minute to 5 minutes or from daily to weekly. This refresh often brings in bars that didn't load on the first interval. Next, zoom out. Use your mouse wheel or the minus icon to pull back and load more historical data. If you were zoomed in too tightly, older candles may have been off-screen. Now, check your internet connection. A slow or dropped connection can prevent candles from loading fully. Make sure you're online and stable before continuing. Finally, reload the page. Use your browser's reload button to force the chart to fetch fresh data. This clears temporary hiccups and typically restores any remaining missing candles. At this point, you've changed your chart to candlesticks and applied the correct session, along with quick fixes if any candles were still missing. Your Tradingview chart should now be complete and displaying as expected. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.